Forgotten username recovery failed on PocketSmith Fix. If you've been trying to recover your PocketSmith username and keep hitting roadblocks, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because PocketSmith now uses your registered email for login instead of a traditional username. Guessing usernames rarely works and only causes frustration. Here's the fix. Step 1. Open the PocketSmith app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. PocketSmith will use this to securely verify your identity. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email, prepare your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information like recent transactions or budget entries. This ensures only the rightful owner regains access. Step 3. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Check your spam or junk folder if the recovery email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If standard recovery fails, contact PocketSmith support directly. Explain your situation and provide the requested verification details. Their team will guide you safely through the recovery process. The surprising truth is that losing a username doesn't mean permanent lockout. PocketSmith switched to email-based login to simplify access and improve security. By following these steps, you'll be back managing your finances on PocketSmith in no time. Focus on your registered email, verify your identity as needed, and regain full access smoothly and securely.